Hello Weather Weenies, and welcome back to the Marina Smith WX YouTube channel. Weather is doing some pretty crazy things over our heads every single day, and most people don't even realize it. From lightning that reaches space to tornado damage that you can see on satellite, these are 15 weather facts you probably didn't know. At the end of this video, we'll be doing a quiz to test your weather knowledge on these facts. Number 1. Hail can fall from storms over 50 miles away. This is called anvil hail, and it happens when strong upper-level winds carry hail far from the storm core. People sometimes report hail falling from blue skies because the parent thunderstorm is so far away. This has happened multiple times across the plains during supercell outbreaks. It's one of the reasons severe weather can catch people off guard. But honestly, reports of hail falling 50 miles from a thunderstorm are extremely uncommon. Most documented cases show hail typically falling within about 10 to 20 miles downwind of the main storm core. Number 2. Heat bursts can raise temperatures up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes. Heat bursts occur when rain falls through very dry air and evaporates before reaching the ground. This causes air to rapidly sink and compress, heating up dramatically. In Kansas and Oklahoma, documented heat bursts have raised nighttime temperatures into the upper 90s after midnight. Number 3. Lightning can shoot upward into space. As you can see here, sprites, blue jets, and gigantic jets occur above thunderstorms rather than below them. They can extend up to 50 miles into the upper atmosphere. These were first photographed in 1989 and weren't widely accepted until the 1990s. They're now known to be part of Earth's electrical system. Number 4. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. A lightning bolt heats the surrounding air to around 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This extreme heat causes air to expand explosively, which creates thunder. Number 5. Earth experiences about 100 lightning strikes every second. That adds up to nearly 8 million strikes per day worldwide. The most lightning-prone areas are tropical regions near the equator. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela is famous for having lightning almost every night. This constant activity plays a role in Earth's atmospheric chemistry. Number 6. Storm surge causes more hurricane-related deaths than wind. Storm surge is responsible for the majority of hurricane fatalities historically. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 is a prime example where flooding caused catastrophic loss of life.
Here we are, this is crazy. We got a car that's getting ready to come right in the lobby now.
Hurricane Katrina, Category 4, Gulfport, Mississippi, August 29, 2005. It has gutted the hotel.
Wind may look dramatic, but water is far more deadly. Number 7. Hurricanes can rapidly intensify in under 24 hours. Rapid intensification occurs when wind speeds increase at least 35 miles per hour in one day. Hurricane Otis in 2023 shocked forecasters by exploding from a tropical storm into a Category 5 hurricane in less than 24 hours.
In just 12 hours, Otis went from a tropical storm to a Cat 5 hurricane, devastating the Mexican resort city of Acapulco, population 1 million, with 160-mile-per-hour winds.
Warm water, low wind shear, and moist air fuel this process. These storms are especially dangerous because of their limited warning time. We're now halfway through the weather facts. Take a deep breath, like the video, and comment what the most surprising fact has been so far. Make sure you lock in what you've learned so far because we have a quiz at the end of the video. Now let's get back to the facts. Number 8. Hurricanes can produce tornadoes. These tornadoes typically form in the outer rain bands, especially near the right side of the storm. They're usually weaker but can still cause damage.
Here's why. As hurricanes churn counterclockwise, packing strong winds, the forward motion of a storm adds to the speed of the winds in the front right quadrant, making it the most destructive part of a hurricane.
Because they form quickly, warnings can be difficult. Number 9. Snowflakes aren't actually white. Individual snowflakes are transparent. Snow appears white because light reflects off the many ice surfaces. This reflection scatters all wavelengths of visible light, and it's why snow can look blindingly bright in sunlight. Number 10. The smell before or after rain is called petrichor. Petrichor comes from plant oils and bacteria released during rainfall, and humans are especially sensitive to it. If you happen to be in front of the storm, sometimes the winds can carry over that scent, which is why you can even smell it before the rain falls. Which, speaking of petrichor, if you love the smell of rain, you can find this sweatshirt at marinasmithwx.com. Number 11. A green sky does not mean a tornado is coming. Green skies are commonly observed before tornadoes, but the color really comes from sunlight scattering through hail-filled clouds. While it's not a guarantee of a tornado, it's a great indication of a severe storm. Number 12. Radar can detect debris in a tornado. A debris ball appears when radar detects non-meteorological objects in the sky, like wood or metal. This confirms a tornado is actively causing damage, and it's one of the most chilling things a meteorologist can see. Number 13. Tornado paths can be seen from space. Satellite imagery can reveal scars where vegetation was stripped away. These paths can remain visible for months. Researchers use this data to study tornado behavior, and it's another way science confirms storm intensity. This is the tornado scar of the Tuscaloosa, Alabama EF4 that happened back in 2011. Number 14. Most tornado-related deaths are caused by flying debris. Most tornado-related deaths aren't caused by the wind itself, but flying debris. Tornado winds can turn everyday objects like wood, metal, and even vehicles into dangerous projectiles moving at extreme speeds.
Oh my gosh.
89, South 89.
Folks, we plead with you, just go to your safe spot if you possibly can. That's an F. Look at the horizontal vortex. That is an F4 to an F5 tornado. That's winds of 250 miles an hour.
This is why being in a sturdy, enclosed space and protecting your head is so important during a tornado. Even a weak tornado can be deadly if debris is involved. And our last fact, number 15. The atmosphere weighs trillions of tons. This is what we know as air pressure. It's literally the weight of the atmosphere pushing down on us. When pressure changes, air starts moving, and that's what creates wind, storms, and fronts. In exact numbers, the atmosphere is 11.5 quintillion pounds, which is equal to 95.8 quadrillion marinas. Alright, it's quiz time. How well do you remember these weather facts? What is it called when hail falls far away from the main thunderstorm? If you said C, anvil hail, you're correct. What causes thunder after a lightning strike? Alright, if you said C, explosive expansion of superheated air, you're correct. What usually causes the eerie green color in the sky before severe storms? If you said sunlight scattering through hail-filled clouds, you got it. Where do most hurricane-spawned tornadoes usually form? Alright, if you said on the upper right side, you're correct. And last question, what creates wind in the atmosphere? If you said D, changes in air pressure, you got it. And that was 15 weather facts you probably didn't know. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment what your score was on the quiz. And stay weather curious. Bye! Be who am I, chick? Okay. Number 4.